Hi guys, today I'm unpacking Pokemon cards. So Pikachu is holding one. So first up we got Lost Origin. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4 to the front. First up, we got Fire Energy. Hard. Okay, we got Damage Pump. Then we got Speed for Poliwag, Oddish, Rowlet, Lickitung, Slugma, Bloom, and Drapom V. You guys want to see the card? Right there. V. Okay, next one. Optum. 1, 2, 3, 4 to the front. We got Dark Energy, Kaluma, Toolbox for mine, Rockruff, Seal, Shuffit, Puppet, Machamp, Pikachu, Rhyhorn, Zoroark. We'll see a card. Okay. Yeah. Up. One, two, three, 4 to the front. Energy, Toolbox, Drastum, Arcphone, Gloomy, Oral, Slowmo, Clefairy. Ooh, Cosmo! Oh, good card. Look at it. Take a good look at it. Okay, and next, final pack of Lost Origin. Okay, let's hope we get lucky. 1, 2, 3, 4 to the front. Grass Energy, Merlum, Miss Fortune Sisters, Maison, Rosalie, Corrigan, MK, Nitbug, Phenom, and Magma. Okay, let me show you the best ones I got. So we got Bounty, and then we got Casbon, a really cool card. Then we got Dragapult V, really cool card. Then we got Zoroark. Zoroark. Then we got Rhyhorn. And then with the Pikachu to go at it. Bye guys, thanks for watching.